Say hi, Tracy. Can you say hi? I think you're gonna be stuck. Here. Arm first. Good job. Other arm first. Now say hi. Good job. Can you say your name? No, I didn't say say name. Can you say Chase? You see you? That's not Connor, that's me. Yeah. That's your shirt, you're right. Can you say hi? Wait. Wait. Alright, can you say bye-bye?
No.
Say bye-bye.
No.
No. I don't know what that means.
Wow.
Alright, say bye-bye.
No.
Can you wave? Alright.